Well, this here is Bruce Lethco. Now, the Lethco family has been ranching deep in the heart of Texas for generations. Growing up, folks would ask Bruce, how many horses you got? And they were asking about the livestock, not what was under the hood. When Bruce grew up, he thought, I'm going to get me a Corvette. But Mrs. Lethco wasn't having it. Besides, Bruce is a red-blooded Texan through and through. Life just ain't worth living unless it's at the wheel of a pickup truck. So Bruce picked up the phone and called the folks at Armageddon Turbo Systems, and they got him fixed up with a twin turbo kit that more than doubled his power. Now Bruce's truck has more horsepower than any Corvette you'll find at a dealer.
Hard.
Also fixed him up with some fancy new brakes to add some whoa to the go.
Brakes are nearly as much fun as the
With Armageddon Turbo Systems, Bruce finally has his answer to how many horses you got. Enough.
It's just like a grin maker. It just
Get your own horses from Armageddon Turbo Systems today. Find them at www.goturbo.net.
Got to get a picture, everybody.
Okay.
Owen and